Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of withdrawing your funds from the Mitrade trading platform. First, log into your Mitrade client area on their website or mobile app. You can only withdraw funds from a fully verified account. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Funds Withdrawal section, usually found in the Account or Funds Management area. Then, ensure you are withdrawing to a previously used and verified bank account or e-wallet. For security, Mitrade typically only allows withdrawals back to the original source of deposit. After that, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review any withdrawal fees and the processing time, which is usually 1 to 3 business days. Finally, confirm the transaction. You may need to verify the withdrawal via an email or SMS code for security purposes. Once processed, the funds will be sent to your chosen account. Congratulations on securing your trading profits. If this withdrawal guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.